Part of the EC Safe and Sound plan includes an outdoor tone-based alert system to let people know if danger is imminent. County leaders say the alerts only work if people know how they're supposed to respond, which was addressed in tonight's meeting. They say when the tones go off, go up, move away from rivers and streets and get to higher ground. Also, 2 temporary units are set to be in place before this summer, one on Frederick Road and the other on Main Street. They'll produce a loud tone, which will be equal to an ambulance or emergency services tone at full volume. County leaders say this is one more way to get people's attention and quickly.
So we know Ellicott City, the very steep terrains, several small streams feed together. It's very difficult for the Weather Service to give oftentimes more than minutes worth of notice. So when we do go under a flash flood warning, the system will trigger automatically.
And of course, the reason for those alerts is to avoid devastating flooding like we saw here in 2016 and 2018. At tonight's meeting, people gave feedback on which tones might be most effective. Eventually, the units will be updated to include voice capabilities and better directions during emergencies. In the studio, Ashley Hinson, WBAL TV 11 News.